Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
yes, opportunity where we never get from our life. Nnamdi Kanu give una the opportunity. Upon that, we know they satisfy. Una they pray every day, make him die for prison. He will not die in prison. He's coming out. My leader will not die in prison. And if something happens to my leader, all of una way and they see like this where they involve. All these killing where una since people are there, you people are the one causing the killing in Nigeria. Yes. You people, this fucking group media warrior, are the ones causing the kill in Nigeria. Putting all the blame on Simon Ekpa. You guys are fucking hypocrites. Yes. All the killing for Anambra State now, the trouble when you make with Simon Ekpa, now they bring that cost tomorrow. You get bad mouth and I thought you're a good man, you are not a good man. You are nobody, Ikenga. But you, your Biafra child. But you, you're not be nobody. All of them are against my leader. You all are against my leader. Una say they craze, right? Let my leader come out to make us see who they craze. When I mean they craze, I be now una. Biafra worldwide, Ikenga, Biafra child, Chikedoziem, they are not working for you people. They are not working for Biafrans. They are working for Chikedoziem. They are working for Chikedoziem. Is the gospel truth. Make una know now who be this now. Okay, my daughter. I call you later, mom. Chikedoziem, Ikenga is working for Chikedoziem. Biafra child is working for Chikedoziem. They are all compromised. That is what I said. Let me tell you something, Ikenga. Every day they cause Simon Ekpa, but I'm going to tell you the simple truth today. Because we get eye to see. We dey there, we dey follow, we dey look, we dey listen. Don't we go reach, we talk. Ikenga, Simon Ekpa is working better than every one of you. Let me talk, I'm German Joy. Simon Ekpa is working better than every one of you. I'm going to tell you why. You Ikenga, you go come for social media, you go shout the whole day, shout the whole day. Do or for, mom, wait, I call you back and I tell you. Do or for, do na nonsense, do na nonsense. But on a hand, no clean. On a hand, no clean. Ikenga, you disappoint me. You make me to come and call your name. Come and call me, cause me, I will cause you till we go back for this social media. Come out and cause German Joy, we go cut each other till because now when Simon Ekpa they busy. They expose Nigerian government. They talk about Biafra. Yes. You Ikenga Biafra child. Wait till they work for social media every day. Kalonta. Kalonta. Now I don't go die for Ejimakobi. The Ejimakobi una problem now. All this enemy of progress when we get, una say una get work, but una go live una work on the work and that's in for social media. Ikenga, you are misleading people. The other day you tell people say, may they not listen to me, may they not listen to Kalonta, may they not listen to anybody, only you and Chikedoziem. It is not true. You lie. Ikenga and the co is not working for Biafrans. All of now, when they doubt me, they owe me apology when my leader go come out. They are not working for us. They are working for their pockets, their money. They are working for their money. Ikenga is working for his money. Biafra child is working for his money. They are not working for my leader. See Ikenga, they insult Kalonta. Ikenga, are you a graduate? Are you a fucking graduate? Say, would they come here? Would they come for social media? Who go speak grammar? I go to court person where better pass you yesterday and today. Kalonta better pass you yesterday and tomorrow and forever and ever. Kalonta know they do with fun. When Simon Ekpa, they insult you, they call you with honor, they defend you, they fight for you. Now they insult Kalonta for what? Because Chike doesn't push you. Because Chike doesn't they push you. Chike doesn't not get any work. Come be this stupid and shower effect. This fucking and shower effect. Coming to mention no green make I come for social media, come show things on outside there. No green because me, the one where Simon Ekpa do Nelly Ofebu is too small. Make una be careful with me. Make una be careful with me. Make una be careful with me. You say you dey fight for the social media for Biafra. After you don't go collect money for my leader. When you no get house, maybe my leader betray where you betray, you take get money, find where you stay. Efe, all this your Bazaquin way they do. No black, no white, don't ask you hand for marriage. Yes, I said the German machine. No black, no white has ever asked your hand in your marriage. And you're here shouting every day. They have come they talk rubbish about Kalonta yesterday. Open your mouth, call Kalonta again. Then this social media go be me and you. Every morning when I wake up, nefe. Every morning when I wake up, nefe. And I'm gonna shout them, they go everywhere. Yes, I'm a government child, diplomatic. I did not come to Europe to prostitute. I come with my fucking contract in France. The Minister of Education, Jack Lang, brought me to France. Do your inquiry in Nigeria embassy. If you don't know it now. Open your dating mouth when other they call Kalonta, you too Efe, what did they bring that kind of nonsense? You rich princess? I mean, you don't know say princess now, my leader, their last born. You don't know. After I'm going to find who resemble who no resemble who. All this set of animal zombies everywhere. When they push them left, they go. They push them right, they go. They push them back, they go. Mr. Follow follows and Madam Follow follows. Make I hear Kalonta name for your mouth. And if Elang Acharu go mouth, then when I go see my red light. When I go see my red light. Maybe that type of red light. Oh. My own red light now when I go see them. Now when I go no say all of us don't get a mental problem, eh? Some people know their own no Greek cure. Look at it, they come call Kalonta name for social media. Try it next time. I tell them I say I'm one man on squad. I don't need 1 million to follow me. I don't need 1 million to support me. I not be you. When they push you there, you go. They push you there, you go. Woman like you, there for social media, they call you, say, you go protest, they fuck you for 30 euros. He paid me, I can't call you, say, go and defend yourself. He say, no, leave him. But you get power to come for social media to talk about Kalonta.
So, my quality people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.